This is 467, 469 Clark Road in Hermon. They're duplex buildings, so each unit is an end unit, which is really cool because you don't have nearly as much noise with neighbors that way. Nice development at almost the end of Clark Road, which has got almost all single families. The location is kind of cool because it's all town maintained. They've got 2 buildings up. There'll be a couple more down through next year. This first building is November 1st. The second building is January 1st. And they're 2-bedroom, 1 bath with an oversized 1-car garage. A neat location because you literally have trees all around. And the backyard has got a cement patio, and you've got deer and turkeys, and yet you're just 10 minutes into town. So pretty neat that way. Inside is not all finished. Like I said, this is a couple weeks away. I'm going to turn it this way so you get a better view. They really did think about design, though. It has good closet space. You got a coat closet here. You've got a linen closet there for the bath. You got washer dryer, which is in its own closet, so people don't see all the laundry, etc. Bedrooms on this end, and then open concept. Oversized kitchen. They've got a really big kitchen. Does have a dishwasher, stove, fridge, a microwave above the stove. Very nice kind of open concept. Plenty of room for a dining table. Big living room. Turn this way again. There we go. And again, just nice open concept. It's got both bedrooms. Full bath here. So good sized vanity. Has a tub, which will have a real tile surround, which is nice. And then it does have radiant in-floor heating as well, which is another neat feature. 2 bedrooms. This one is slightly bigger. It goes into that than the one next door, but similar size. I think one of them is like a foot wider. But we'll accommodate a king-size bed, queen size, no problem, obviously. And this is the second one over here. Again, nice big double windows. This could be a second bedroom, or it could be an office. Big closets. They've got the garage on this side, which again, they made a little wider. I think it's an extra 2 feet wider than typical. Typically you just have a foot on each side. They did, I think, about 2.5 feet on each side. So it gives you a little extra space you could have a car in and still have some storage along the sides. It does have an auto door opener as well. And of course that's an insulated door. And then you've got this nice slider door, concrete patio, which holds up, doesn't get muddy. And then again, you've got just kind of woods in the back, which is just really nice. So that completes the current completion level for this. This unit is actually rented already. The unit next door is available November 1st. And then we have the other 2 units available for January 1st.